Got a ball joint mirror that's loose. This is how you fix it for under $50. All you're going to need for this is a 13mm shifter and go to your local hardware store and pick up a heat gun for under 50 bucks. First thing you're going to need to do is take off this mirror. Next step, get out your heat gun, and you're going to want to need a pick of some sort as well. Now, it's got 3 bits of glue behind it, so you just want to heat up the glass. Now you've got to be very careful that you don't crack the glass while doing this. Once you've heated it up enough, you want something smaller to get behind the glass, either tweezers, I've got a sewing pin, or a very small flathead screwdriver. Once the glass is off, this is what it will look like underneath. Now you can see the 3 points where the glue is, and you can also see the ball joint. That little rivet there has flared up a bit, and that'll be what's causing it to go loose. Now with a bit of a hit with a hammer, you can see that I've mushroomed it back out, and now that's not coming loose again. Now all you need to do is either reuse this same glue by heating it up and putting your mirror back on, or you can get some new glue and just stick it all back together like that. As good as new. If you'd like to see more videos, like and subscribe.